Welcome to ToyoINK Wassel. ToyoINK Europe Specialty Chemicals is established in France, nearby the town of Rouen. We are producing LCD pigments since 2005 and UV inkjet inks since 2012. Today, 160 people are working in the company, and we are producing around 150 tons of pigments and 500 tons of inks. We also have a large R&D team and a very well-equipped analytical laboratory, allowing us to develop jointly with Fuji and Saitama new pigments and new inks. Wassel site is a 120,000 square meter site with 11 buildings. Major ones are the laboratory building, 2 sheds to produce LCD pigments, the large effluent treatment plant, the new inkjet plant, and 3 buildings for the storage of raw materials and finished goods.
Production of DPP pigments started in 2008 based on a specific ToyoINK process and a patented molecule that allowed us to differentiate from competition. Therefore, ToyoINK Group has been holding 40 to 60% market share during the last 10 years. This DPP process is typical of the specific know-how established in TISC, combining the handling of large solvent volume, the ability to recycle them at 95% thanks to our 4-step continuous distillation unit, and the control of a high-risk chemical reaction. We also manufacture other yellow and red pigments that are sold to Fuji, Moriyama and ToyoINK Taiwan to produce mill base and resistings. Thanks to the process optimization completed last year, we are now increasing our capacity and decreasing our cost to face competition in China. Wassel site is ranked as a Seveso site in the European regulation. This means classified as high-risk site due to the solvent volume we are handling and to the quantity of products dangerous for the environment which we are storing. Our management system is well recognized with 3 certification in ISO 45000, 14001 and 9001 for safety, environment and quality.
Our R&D department is made up of 20 persons organized in 3 teams. One of organic chemists developing pigment synthesis, one dispersion team working on mill bases and new solution, one ink team developing mainly UV and water-based inks. Since the last 3 years, all teams are working closely together to establish a breakthrough technology for the digital market by designing new pigments to expand the color gamuts, offering easy dispersing product and safer solution. On the ink side, we are moving to new coloring system like LED technology and progressing to address the fast evolution of raw material reclassification in the European regulation and other places. Our target is to offer differentiation on inks performances with improved adhesion and flexibility. Finally, our R&D teams is one of our first case success factors on the inkjet market by allowing us to offer our customer a very personalized support to adapt our inks to their new printer with a local team and the support of other technical departments of the group.
Our analytical and application laboratory is equipped with a large variety of analytical equipments in order to analyze different types of chemical, from major compound to impurities trace for quality control pigments and inks. Electronic microscope is also very helpful to control pigment crystal shape and to find the right synthesis process to design our nanoparticle at the right distribution to reach high transparency pigments and very high dispersion level. Our QC team has established reliable and robust controlling methods that has allowed us to reach, last year for the first time, the ultimate target of 0 claim and 0 complaint from our customers. Our next challenge is to enlarge our raw material sourcing policy to overcome risk of supply shortage and to reinforce competitivity by better negotiations possibilities with suppliers, while maintaining quality and differentiations against competition.
Our new inkjet building is now getting in full production rate. 17 people are working in 3 shifts to operate 5 milling lines and 5 dilution lines, offering us to 3 times greater capacity than our previous unit. The packaging is now semi-automatic. This equipment allows us to reinforce industrial efficiency for such sensitive bottling and sealing steps. This plant is also at the edge of the cleaning technology with the implementation of the solvent automatic washing system by shower balls and blanketing, with its achieved thanks to an important level of safety devices to control and to avoid any electricity static risk. Recipes instruction and production data are managed by tablets and database software to centralize data and to offer additional process and quality control.
In front of such nice and powerful plant, our marketing and sales team is hardly working to generate new projects and volume growth. Our plant in Wassel is already serving 45% of the UV inkjet label market through 4 of the main inkjet presses manufacturers. Our products are delivered all over Europe, in US and in Japan to our OEM customers, who distribute them to their final customers worldwide. We are also present in the decor and corrugated markets, where printers are consuming up to 15 to 20 tons of inks per machine and per year. And one of our important work currently will allow us to enter into the water-based technology for commercial printing application, with a first achievement that will be completed next year. This is a result of a global project throughout the group, which combines water-based ink development in Wassel and a commercialization in USA through ToyoINK America. Thanks to the new established capacity, we are also considering reinforcing our collaboration with some of our customers who have developed their own inks and for which we can afford competitive tolling abilities. This would allow us to speed up the decrease of production cost and to conquer additional volume over flexography or other conventional inks technologies.
We have great time building together a vibrant world.